However, mental training and visualization can and has been shown to be effective for greatly enhancing the speed at which you learn and the stability of that learning over time. Okay, so let's take a second and really think about what's happening in the brain and body when we do mental training or visualization. In fact, we can do a little experiment right now that is not unlike many of the classic experiments looking at what's happening in the brain and body during mental training and visualization, in which I just ask you to close your eyes and imagine a yellow cube. Okay? We also know from neuroimaging studies in which people are placed into a functional magnetic resonance imaging scanner that during the sort of visualization you just did or that I described, that your visual cortex and associated areas, quote unquote, light up. They become very active in similar but not identical ways to how they would light up and be activated were you to actually look at a yellow cube and a red rose on a screen and perhaps fly above them, virtually of course, and land behind them, virtually of course. Or if you were to actually look at a yellow cube and red rose in the real world, right in front of you on a table, then get up on your tippy toes and look down at them from the top and then walk around the table and look at them from the other side. And if what they are told to visualize is very simple and the whole visualization is quite brief, lasting on the order of about 15 seconds to generate the visualization in the auditory or in the visual aspect of one's mind's eye or ear, if you will, and if it's repeated over and over. What's far harder for everybody to do,